Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For all of you who don't know me, well, my name is Pooja and my YouTube channel's name is Peek-A-Poo. So that actually comes from my name Pooja, Peek-A-Poo, well, if it makes sense. Well, anyway, this is my first product empties video, and since I've used these products like completely, so definitely I can give you my honest review all on these products. So yeah, let's see which all products are hits and misses and if I'm going to buy it again or not. Okay guys, so to start off, I'll start with these two moisturizers that I finished completely. So starting with this Clinique Moisture Surge, which I've completely finished. So my take on this moisturizer is that it's pretty lightweight and it's definitely very hydrating. It spreads flawlessly and gets absorbed in your skin in like just 2 strokes. And talking about the texture, it leaves your skin, well, it's not very greasy. It is quite mattifying and it doesn't stick on your skin at all. And I think this is suitable for all skin types. But definitely guys, if you have a dry skin like me and struggling to find a right moisturizer for yourself, so definitely give this one a try. And I'm definitely buying this again. So coming to this Clinique Moisture Surge Intense Gel Cream, this says this for very dry to dry combination skin. Well, I actually went to Sephora and was looking for the Moisture Surge 72-hour cream, the gel based one. But then, I don't know, I made a mistake and accidentally bought this product, and I thought all the Clinique moisturizers were all gel based. I don't know, they also had a cream based version. I think it's really good for winters. It doesn't make your skin very matte, but I think it leaves your skin like semi matte. But it is definitely effective in hydrating too. But I don't think I'm going to buy this for summers because it does make your skin a little bit sticky. It's not very heavy though, but still I think for summers the gel based is the best. So I think I'm going to buy the gel based one and not the cream version. So next up in my trash is, oh yes, the Moroccanoil Treatment. And oh my god, I can't tell you how impressed I am with this serum. So again, I've completely used this product and oh my god guys, the best part of this serum is that it smells so amazing. So good. It is definitely worth the price. And guys, this serum actually makes your hair feel like silk. Like it's so good. It makes my hair super soft. If you want to know the secret behind my hair, this is it. And let me tell you guys, it lasts pretty long. Like I remember I had a bigger bottle of this and it lasted for almost 8 to 9 months. Like I'm not kidding. You just need like few just small drops and just apply it in your palm and just all across your hair, and that's all. You don't need a lot of product and it keeps your hair super hydrated and it makes your hair smell so good. So my take, if I'm gonna buy this product again or not, definitely a big yes. Okay, so next up on my list is the Bioderma Micellar water. This actually has a global cult following, you all know that. I think I've been using this for almost 2 years now, and this is, well, it is not completely empty. This is probably my 4th or 5th bottle, so you can really tell how much I love this product. So I get reactions really fast on my skin if I use any product, but definitely if you have a sensitive skin, this is a really good cleanser and a makeup remover. And yes, it's wonderfully gentle on my sensitive skin. It does a great job. It leaves like, you know, it leaves your skin like naturally moisturized after you use it. It doesn't dry up your skin, and I think I'm definitely going to continue using this product in my life. So yeah, there's a big hype around this product. And this is the Kiehls Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I was actually looking for some products for my under eye because actually my under eye is quite dry. So it says it has avocado oil in it and it's supposed to be really good. So I thought, let me just give this a try. And I think I've just this is my first bottle, not the first bottle, the first container that I've completely used up. Look at this, it's all over, and definitely I can say that it is worth the hype. Like honestly, I don't have dry under eyes now, and whenever I apply makeup it looks super smooth under my eyes, but before I was using this product it looked really patchy. So definitely I'm going to buy this again. So you only need a teeny amount on your fingertips and just apply it under the under your eye at night, and yes, it looks like a small container, but it goes a long way, guys. And talking about the texture, guys, it's so creamy, which immediately feels like burst of moisturizer just when you apply it. And it has definitely helped me to get rid of dry, patchy under eyes. So you can give this one a try, and I'm definitely going to buy the second container. Okay, so the next product I have here is the Kerastase Leave-In Serum. So basically this product was recommended to me by my salon, and they said like for frizzy hair it does a pretty good job. I've used it up completely. Well, the only thing that I like about this product is it smells good. I just like to use it just because it smells so good. Honestly, that's the reason. I just really like it. But then otherwise I haven't really seen a lot of difference in the texture of my hair. Well, it definitely helps to detangle your hair after you shampoo and after you apply this on your hair, but I don't know if it did any good to the frizziness in my hair, so I'm not really sure. I think I'm not going to buy it again. Okay, so the next product I have is the M.A.C Prep and Prime Natural Radiance, and it is in this shade Radiant Pink. So I actually got this last year, and well, I must say it does a pretty good job. It acts as a great primer, and just after you apply it, your face becomes like such a smooth canvas for your foundation application. So it has really nice consistency. Like it is pretty lightweight and absorbs really well on your skin. And also it definitely adds like a natural glow to your skin too, but not enough. So if you want like more glow, you can always apply the Strobe Cream by M.A.C, but it definitely gives you like a natural glow for sure. And if it's worth buying, a definite yes, and I think I'm gonna buy this again. Okay, so coming to this Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Well, actually, this is not for young adults. You actually need all this when you are in your 30s. So I went to Sephora and that lady said you can use this product after your mid-20s. So I thought I'll just give this one a try. So my skin definitely looked a lot smoother, and there was no dryness and irritation after I applied this. Well, if it's worth the hype, because this product is like, there's so many beauty bloggers who have shared their reviews on this product, and mostly it's all very positive, but I can't really say because I've just used one bottle, and people say that you need to use it on a very regular basis. Only then you will see the difference in your skin. I just only wish it wasn't that expensive. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to buy this again. Probably later in my 30s I'll think about it. Is there anything left? Oh yes, the M.A.C Pro Longwear Concealer. So this concealer comes in the NC and NW shades, and my shade was NC25. I know a lot of people really like this product, but when I applied it, I just felt that it doesn't stay. Like, it creases as well as it just moves, like, because this is liquid concealer and I'm not very fond of liquid concealers, to be honest, because my skin is very dry. So cream based concealer does a pretty good job for me. So I am not going to buy this product again, not for me. And also I really struggle with my under eyes because I really have bad dark circles. So I need something that has a good coverage. So if you know any good concealer in the market, so definitely put down in the description box below. I would really love to know your recommendations. Alright, so yeah, I've got this eyelash curlers here. So I read a lot about Maybelline's eyelash curler reviews and it was quite positive. But my experience, well, I bought this one, the Falsies. This is the Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. And this is the HyperCurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. So both these mascaras, well, I didn't really like it. Well, that's my take on it. Like honestly, Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara is really good. Well, I think I've used that's my second mascara bottle, and that is very nice. But talking about these Falsies and HyperCurl, I don't really think they really voluminize your eyelashes that much. So all the tall claims done by Maybelline regarding the mascaras, I don't think it's really good, the hype. But the Lash Sensational, that's really good. Okay, so the last product I have here is the Burt Bees Lip Balm. So this is a tinted lip balm. When I first used it, like I was blown away. Like this is the best lip balm available in the market. Like honestly, it makes your lips smooth, like super, like seriously super smooth, and it's really good for like cracked or sore lips. And it comes in a lot of different flavors, but let me tell you guys, this is not that tinted. It just looks it just leaves a very natural rosy looking lips, like how your lips look after you've eaten like a red popsicle. So yeah, just like a very natural rosy color, and it really makes your lips look a lot plumper and moisturized. So definitely buying this again, and even you guys should definitely try this one out. So that's all, guys. These were the products that I think I'm going to buy again, or maybe not. And please let me know if there's any product that you think that I should definitely give it a try. Please put it down in the comments below. And also, if you have any suggestions about what videos should I do next, definitely give your ideas. I would really love to have your suggestions for that. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. I really want to reach my 1,000 subscribers soon. So please help me out in this, and do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And guys, please follow me on Instagram as well. I think I'm going to start making like small videos for my IGTV as well. So please follow me there too. And what else? That's it. Okay, see you then. Bye.